Okay, so we have identified that the answer is Asian Children Museum for question 38 on page 12. So I need you now to write this answer down over here. Okay, and you will complete the remaining questions on page 12 on your own, and the answers will be released to you tomorrow, okay, for checking. Now, let us move on to page 14 of practice set 3, which is comprehension close. Okay, remember, before you fill in the blanks, you're supposed to read the passage twice, two times. The first time you will read the passage to get a rough understanding of what the story in the passage is about. And then the second time you will try to highlight clues in the passage to figure out what is that one suitable word they should put in to fill in the blanks. Okay, are you ready? Let's go. Shannon was awake way before her alarm clock rang. It was the school's annual sports day, and she was very excited. She was blank part in the individual race, and she was determined to win that. Shannon had been training hard the past 4 months. She also made sure that she did not consume any fried food or sweet drinks blank that period. Okay, so the word consume means to eat. Okay, next paragraph. The air horn went off, signaling the start of the blank. Shannon ran as blank as she could. The loud cheer from the spectators, blank, her the strength to cross the finishing line. Shannon's wish came true. She was first in the race. Okay, so usually when there's sports day or when there's a sports event, in order for the race to officially start, there would be a staff member or an official who will press an air horn, and when the sound goes off, people know that they can start running. Okay, so I'm just going to share with you very quickly. Okay, so when schools have sports day, okay, these are some things that you can see. You can see children racing over here, baton passing as well. Okay, sometimes there are very fun obstacle courses in the sports day, events that involve parents and their children working together. Okay, and sometimes before sports day begins, there will be a house march where maybe a teacher or a house captain will lead a group of students in their respective colored houses, okay, to walk round to officially start the race. Okay, so these are some other pictures that you can see for sports day as well. Unfortunately, in St. Gabriel's Primary School, we don't have sports day, but we have where we can go to a stadium like Toa Stadium or Bishan Stadium to have races. But we have annual sports and games day instead, where we have parent volunteers coming into our school and teachers as well organizing this event, and students like yourselves get to have a lot of fun to play in different game booths. Okay, all right, I'm only going to guide you for question 46. After that, the rest you have to complete it on your own. Okay, so let's look at question 46. Now, Shannon was very excited, right? It was the school's annual sports day. She was blank part in the race. So this is the clue. Okay, I will highlight this clue. I will also draw an arrow to point to this clue as well. Okay, and I know that if you want to go and participate in a race, another word for the word participate is take part. Now take note of this word was. Okay, so I can't say she was take part. I also can't say she was took part. So this is past continuous tense. Okay, so my answer should be taking part. So I'm going to write taking part in my answer over here, and you can copy it down on your paper as well. Okay, and to complete the remaining blanks as well, please highlight the clues and draw arrows to show where the clues, which blank the clues point to. Okay, so I hope you can complete the remaining four answers on your own. Please do your best to do this completely on your own, okay, without help from your mummy